N. Moon. Very good. Okay, let's turn our board over. And this is something that goes on your head. And you can wear it in the summertime or the winter time, any time of the season. This is a hat. Can you say hat? Let's spell the word hat. H A T. Hat. Hat. Very good. You did such a good job. Okay, now it is time for our letter of the day. So our letter of the day, it starts with, well, I'm going to tell you a word, starts with no. Or sometimes when you're very sleepy, starts with an N for a nap. And that letter is, what do you think it is, Pete and friends? It's the letter N. N. Now remember, whenever we're writing, you ask someone older than you for a sheet of paper, and you can write with a marker or a crayon or a pencil, but never write on the walls, okay? All right, let's get started. So this is the letter N. So I'm going to erase it, and that is we're going to make first the capital N, which is the mama N. But first we're going to do a warm-up with writing some lines, okay? And you want to hold your, whatever you're writing with your two pinchers, which is your thumb and your finger, and hold that as tight as you can, but comfortably. Just hold it firmly, okay? So let's start off with some lines. Go straight up and down. You can make long lines or short lines. And if your paper has lines on it, that's okay. You can go in between the lines or over the lines because we're just practicing. Okay. Now, I'm going to erase my board here. And we're going to write the letter N. Oops. Okay, so you start at the top, come down, stop, and then you make one line straight up and down, just like that. And then we're going to come to the side and draw another long line. And then we're going to go back up again, keep our pencil or mark on the paper, and stop. This is the letter N. This is a capital N. We call that the mama N, but it's a capital N. Okay, let's do another one. So you're going to come down like this. And then you're going to go to the top of that line and come down again. And just keep your mark on the paper and then go up again. This is the letter N. Okay. Now you keep your paper. And let's practice some more. And remember, it may seem a little hard at first, but the more you practice, the easier it will become. But we are so proud of you for trying. Okay, let's do that again. We're going to start here, do a line, coming down, stop. Then we're going to go to the top of that line. We're going to come over like this, stop. Leave your mark on the paper and then come up. Just like that. And if you don't want to leave your mark on the paper, let's do another way. You can come down like this. You're going to go to the top of that line and go down on the side. And then you pick your marker up and just go up. Just like that and stop. Now this is a capital N. Now let's make a baby N, which is the lowercase n. So this is a lowercase n. You're going to do a line like this, and then you're just going to curve it, just like that. This is a lowercase n. Let's do that again. A line, and then you're going to curve, just like that. Okay? That's a lowercase n. A line, and then you want to curve, just like that. Very good. Let's make some more. You're going to do a line, and then you're going to curve, just like that. Now, remember, when we're finished writing right now, I want you to go back and just practice making more N's. You can do capital N's or lower N's, but as long as you're trying, that's all that matters. And remember, the more you practice, the better you will become. And we're so proud of you for trying. Very good. Okay, now, since you did so good with that, I have a story to read. Do you want to hear a story? Let's hear a story. Let's listen to a story. Okay. The name of my story today. Now remember, when we're reading a story, you want to zip your lip, and then you want to turn on your listening ears. And you want to be very quiet. You hear that, Pete, Timothy, and Kennedy? Be very quiet when you're listening to the story, because you want to hear what it's all about. Okay? So this story is called Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a green frog, a black sheep, a goldfish, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a purple cat, a white dog, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Did you enjoy that story? Thank you so much for listening today, and thank you for joining us at Circle Time Kids Club. Well, until next time, wave goodbye, Pete and friends. Bye-bye.